The Office of the Defence Estate Officer DEO Guwahati, along with the East Khasi Hills District Administration and the Hanutrep Youth Council HYC, today conducted a joint inspection at Lom Survey following complaints of illegal settlers in the area. During the joint inspection, the SMB collected the names of the alleged settlers. There are around 80 houses in the plot of land where 40 of these houses are locked. HYC President Roy Kupar Sindram said the concerned authorities will have to take stringent actions against illegal settlement in the area.
16 up.
7. Asleep country.
This one also.
8. 7.
Mas ya.
10.
Gar kembali kape?
Gula.
Nengi na kaliang jong kaseng na marba kahap hapo ka jurisdiction jong ka district administration jong East Khasi Hills ngin but din lang bat ka office jong DC bat kumjuru bat ka DEO office ya katangin sa le tang hadin chisngi arsingi bang ila sothu ba kini gibawan ban survey mata singi kin submit ya report ka jong ki tendang ila snothu ya report ka jong ki na kaliang jong kaseng la kalong kumnu ru ngikren na ka basay ba hadin mangilawan hajaka bagi officer jong ka district administration kilawan hajaka kilai I dalam jong kikmat ya gijingsi siya balada nakaliang ka jong ki kimsyem ya kasenjam kaseng ka sesyem pat de ki simjam.
Unknown miscreants resorted to burning of tires in the